Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to save files to a USB flash drive. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and plug in your flash drive. Okay. Now, once it's plugged in, you'll be able to see it right here. When you click on the flash drive icon, you'll be able to see your flash drive. Also, when you go ahead over to File Explorer, your flash drive will be listed here as well as USB drive. Okay. Now, once that's done, there are two ways to transfer a file or photo, music, or whatever. So go ahead and open up your flash drive. Let's say I have here a PDF. Okay. I could just easily drag and drop, and we'll go ahead and copy the PDF. There you go. You could also right click and copy. Okay, make sure that the item is highlighted or selected. Again, right click and copy, then paste it right here inside the flash drive's window. Paste, replace or skip, whatever you want. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that's how simple it is to save files to USB flash drive. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.